Now I want to program the part of the story where the turtle is eaten by a shark. And before I do that, I want to go ahead and take all of these turtles that I created and I'm going to put them in the comment because they kind of annoy me, the fact that they are in the story. Okay, so let's go ahead and comment it out, and what that's going to do is going to make sure that those babies are not there, right? Go off the top of the screen and I appear at the bottom. All right, so once this happens, what I want the turtle to do is to slowly go to the center of the screen. All right, and once he gets to the center of the screen, I want this to be automatic. I don't want the player to be able to control him. Okay, so once he does get to the center of the screen, then I want to say something like, "Oh, it's kind of cold here and dark. Wait, what's that?" Right, so to say some text, and then for the shark to appear on the right side, come swim by, and then eat him, and then swim away. Okay. So how can we get that done? Well, the first part is for the turtle to go to the center of the screen. So what are we going to do? Well, we're going to come here to move turtle, go to north, and if he goes off the top of the screen, then this is what we're going to do. So what I'm going to say here is I'm going to do turdy.goto, and I'm going to go to 0, 0. I'm going to set my speed to 1 if he's not already set to 1, but let's check to see if that happens. And from there, I want to do a write, right? And so luckily, we have our write text function definition. So I could say write text, and I could say, where am I? Right? And then I could say, it's really cold here. And I could say, wait, what's that? What's that dark shape? Right? Okay, so let's see if this actually works and looks the way that we want it to look. So, let me run it again. And I'm going to go up, 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 up. Okay, so everything's looking good. The go-to looks a little fast, so maybe I do want to slow down my turdy. Dot speed, maybe I could set it to 1. Let's see if that helps us at all. Okay. And another thing that's kind of annoying is that I can click on the screen and it goes away. All right. So I think I want to take this out and I want to change it to main loop. So let's see if that actually works better. No screen.mainLoop. What about turtle.mainLoop? Okay, good. So I can't click on the screen to make it disappear, and now it does this. Ooh, yes, good. So it goes slower. Excellent. All right. So now let's go ahead and program the shark to come in. Okay, so again, let's change the exit on click to turtle.mainLoop. And now let's get the shark to come in. Well, I went ahead and found a shark GIF right here. Whoa. And I could show you here, right? So it's Brucey, and he's transparent background, and I saved him as a GIF. Okay. And of course, you can go ahead and do that same thing if you want. And if you remember, the way that we add him as a shape to one of our turtles is you first need to do wn.addShape. And then it's os dot, ooh, what is it? Let's add the os to our import. And let's do os. Let's look at Rochambeau graphical. And we do this. So let's go ahead and grab that. Put him right over here. I'm going to change it to shark.gif. And now he's able to be used. All right? So I'm going to come here. I'm going to make a shark turtle. And actually, this shark can be local, so I'm going to make him local. Right in here. Okay. I'm going to create him at the top of my function definition for north. And then I'm going to use him right here. So I'm going to say shark. Oh, maybe right here I also want to set his shape. So we would do a turtle dot add shape. No, os dot path. Okay, so this is what we need to do. I'm going to copy that, go to my interactive turtle, do this, turn it to a shark.gif. Of course, the turtle is going to be the shark turtle, and I'm going to do a shark.hide turtle in the very beginning. Okay, so that he doesn't appear. Well, maybe it makes sense to actually do all of this inside here. Okay, so what's that dark shape? I create the shark, and I set his shape to be the picture. So let's go ahead and do that. There's no shark.gif, huh? Okay, maybe I need to rename it to shark.gif. And let's try running it. Ooh, okay. Let me come back here and try saving my picture as shark.gif. And I'm using Photoshop here just because it's faster for me. But I showed you earlier how to save your pictures as GIF using the online web platform, right? So you can go ahead and use the online web platform. So let me go ahead and delete this guy now. All right, so now we should be working. Let's go ahead and run this. Okay, so I'm going to go off the top of the screen. It's going to talk, and the shark should appear. Boom. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and leave it like that. But what I want you to do for the challenge exercise is to get Bruce to not appear at the center of the screen when he first appears. I want you to have Bruce appear on the side of the screen, and then slowly go to the turtle, make the turtle disappear, turdy, and then have Bruce go off the other side of the screen. Right? So make it as if like the shark comes and eats him and then goes away. So let's go ahead and do that, and then I'll meet you on the other side of that.